Kung gusto mo ng spacious, family-friendly, and brand new feels without breaking the bank much, this is the perfect car para sa'yo. I got you ulit. Isa tong kotse na to sa top picks pagdating sa family car. So this is the 2025 Toyota Avanza eCVT Automatic. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto-retractable side mirrors, may turn signals na rin dito, at 15 inches alloy wheels, mga kapalang tires. At dito naman sa harap, LED headlight, halogen fog lamps, new face na to, at 4 ang ending. At pagdating naman sa engine, meron siyang 1.3 liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated CVT transmission gasoline engine. At syempre, mostly ng mga gawang Toyota, fuel efficiency talaga. Kaya itong kotse na to, napakatipid nito sa gasolina, at syempre basic to maintain lang. Maraming available na parts and aftermarket parts, kaya hindi ka mahihirapan pag binili mo tong kotse na to. At sa pinakalikod, LED taillight, may rear sensor, rear camera, at sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at 7-seater to, and syempre foldable yung third row seat. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats, may mga controls dito, analog display with 16,000 kilometers on the clock only, brand new feels. Well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital climate control, automatic transmission with plus-minus, outlet source at center console. At sa second row, comfortable naman ako at maluwag ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang weird na air vents, aircon controls, 2 USB ports, at ito, pwede mo siyang gawing armrest. At sa pinakalikod, surprisingly, kasya ako at meron siyang outlet source at 2 cup holders on both sides. Kaya ikaw, malapit na magpasko. Bilhan mo yung family mo ng isang magandang family car. Itong kotse na to, 985,000 pesos lang to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na to. Peace out!